Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Anshul watching a tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install the Amazon newly released tool AI editor or AI IDE, which is very one of the like VS Code and cursor killer, we can say, as a futuristic vibe coding tool. Okay, so let's jump into the main section and we are going to install Amazon Kiro. The tool name is Kiro. So let's directly jump into the site, official site, and let's download this Amazon Kiro. Okay, now we'll search with this particular and let's see, is it applicable as of now or not, beyond a coding assistant. Okay, I just want to, it's just 2 days back they have introducing, like they just released this. So let's directly jump into the main thing, the AI IDE for prototype to production. One of the killer VS Code or we can say cursor killer IDE. Okay, so like we are going to install it for Windows, so you can just click on download for Windows. If you are using Mac, then it will show download for Mac. So let's click on download for Windows, and if you want to watch the demo, you can just click on watch demo and let's see what's happening, like how we can use this one. Okay, so I will just simply do one thing and download and okay, save it. So let's just wait for a few minutes. It's just 171 MB. And if you want to see the demo, right, let's click on watch demo and it will show the demo how this AI IDE is different from others. So this tool is recently released by AWS, Amazon. If you see here, ask us question or describe a task, please create an email opt-in form and have it connected to the something, right, ONU backend. Okay, so see, it started creating the things and now it will work on based on the task you mentioned. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's install the first, and the coding part and all everything we can check in next video. In this video we are going to just see how to install this one, and let's install it. So it is now downloaded. Let's click on this. So now this started, like let's click on I accept and next. Let's click on next, just click on next. So let's create a Kiro icon and next and install it. We can wait for a few minutes, and once the installation is done, we will check out this tool. And before that, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. Guys, I'm just making this video for you, so just click on bell icon and subscribe my channel. It will be a great support for me from your side, and I'm making content for you. So let's support each other, right? So as the installation is going on, and we can wait for one more minute, and within 1 minute it will be complete. Sign in with AWS Builder ID, sign in with your organization identity, sign in with GitHub, sign in with Google. So I can try with GitHub. So let's check. We will take you simple default way to sign in and bring back to complete. It will open our default browser, and if you don't want to go with this, then you can just cancel it and you can simply go with the Google Gmail login. And once you are done with Gmail login, it will allow us. So I will just click on sign in. Still it's going to open the default browser, that is Edge, but my default browser is something else, that is Chrome. So okay, I will authorize it here. I have already logged in my account. This is one of the account, so I will just log in from here and yeah, continue it. So this is something Kiro prod US EST auth.us.east Amazon incognito amazoncognito.com. So this is something that they are trying to do. Okay, now you can close this window. I will close this, and once signing is done, I don't want to import from VS Code. I will just skip this or skip all everything. I will use Kiro Light, or I will Kiro Dark. It will be good for me. Setup cell skip. I will just skip these things and let's start the IDE. So you can see IDE is now ready to use. It's similar to Tray IDE. They have introduced this IDE, right? Totally. So guys, in this video we install Kiro in Windows, and now this is open and you can start working with the project in Kiro itself. So we'll meet in next video. Till that, bye bye and happy installation. If you have any doubt, if you have any issue in installation, please let me know in comment section. I will try to help you all, guys. Thanks for watching this video.